Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Saily eSIM in Japan. If you want to try Saily, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get the best available eSIM deal. It's the easiest way to set up your mobile data before traveling and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, install the Saily app from your Play Store or App Store. Open it up and then just log in with your Saily account. Once done, you can click on Add Data right here. Or under credits, you have Buy Data Plan. So just tap on it and tap on the SIM. Okay, the SIM that you just bought. Now, if you don't know how to buy a SIM, we have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check our channel out. So in here, we are going to find Japan. If you can't find it, well, look for Japan in the search bar. So tap on it, wait for it to load. You can go ahead and choose to use 1 gig for 7 days or unlimited right here. Right, 20 gig, 10 gig, 5 gigs as well. So hit on continue with the payment process. And once that's done, you'll be given an install prompt. If not, you can just go ahead over to the home section. Japan will be listed in here. Click on install eSIM on this device. Hit on continue, follow simple prompts. And once your SIM is activated, make sure, by the way, that you're currently connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data if you have one. So install the eSIM. And again, once you arrive in Japan, or once you're in Japan, go ahead over to your phone settings, go to connection, tap on SIM manager, and then enable Saily right here. And under mobile data, make sure that you select Saily as well. Now, if you can't find Saily right here, just go back a bit, go ahead over to mobile networks, make sure that data roaming for Saily is enabled. Once done, go ahead and go back, enable Saily right here under your mobile data. And that's how easy it is to use Saily eSIM in Japan. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.